reclining is also different, and the expression, if you see, this reclining is different with one foot up, that reclining is different sideways, this is sitting, there is a young Ganpati with a satisfied stomach. So it all depends on the art creator, you see.
नमस्कार. आज आपण गार्डन्स क्लबचे सीनियर मेंबर रवींद्र उबेरॉय सर यांच्याकडे आलो. हे गार्डन तुमच्यासाठी नवीन नाहीच आहे, कारण याआधी आपण याचा व्हिडिओ एक बघितला असेलच. बायोगॅस संदर्भात आपण हा एक व्हिडिओ बनवलेला होता. पण आजचा विषय थोडासा वेगळा आहे. त्यांच्याकडे गणपती बाप्पाचं खूप सुंदर कलेक्शन आहे. ते आज मी तुम्हाला या व्हिडिओमध्ये दाखवणार आहे. गणपतीची कितीतरी रूपं आहेत आणि सगळीच आपल्याला मोहक वाटतात. अगदी लहान बाळ जसं आपल्याला आवडतं ते कुठलंही असू दे. यातल्या बऱ्याच मूर्त्या त्यांना गिफ्ट आलेल्या आहेत, बऱ्याच त्यांनी स्वतःसुद्धा आणलेल्या आहेत. एकही मूर्ती एकसारखी तुम्हाला दिसणार नाही. प्रत्येक मूर्ती ही वेगळी आणि युनिक आहे. कुठे हस्तिदंताच्या मूर्त्या आहेत, कुठे स्फटिकाच्या मूर्त्या आहेत. ही मूर्ती तरी शेण आणि गोमूत्रापासून बनवली आहे. बघा किती सुंदर आणि सुबक आहे. राम अवतारातील सुद्धा सुंदर मूर्ती आहे. काही मूर्त्या त्यांना गिफ्ट आलेत, काही त्यांनी घेतलेल्या आहेत. काही चंदनामधल्या सुद्धा मूर्त्या आहेत. कोरीव काम अप्रतिम आहे. कुठलीही मूर्ती तुम्हाला एकसारखी दिसणार नाही.
Ganpati is made out of various metals, wood, maybe stone, maybe terracotta, but this section is of all Ganpatis made out of semi-precious stones. Now these stones have various names, and they are also used to make jewelry in the normal course. Women love to wear earrings, rings made out of jade or made out of emerald, or maybe out of Rajvarki and Laborite. Now here you will see the same stones, one piece Ganpatis carved out of them. Now the central one is also jade, and the one here in the front is also jade. If you note, the coloration is different. So jade is found in different colors. It can also be in yellow color or in white color also, but generally green color is what is preferred for religious purposes also. It is very popular in use in China as well as in Japan. The special feature of jade is that it is, if you want to recognize it, it is very cool to the touch. So when you hold it in your hand, you should feel that coolness, and it shouldn't become warm very easily. Secondly, it must have a density. Normal if it is a fake this, it will become transparent or it will feel light to the weight.
Okay.
So you have to see the density of jade, and that decides the quality of the stone.
Okay.
So here if you see, this jade is very deep in color, and also if you go and hold it in your hand, you will find that coolness. And the
Yes.
stone doesn't become warm with the warmth of your hand. It feels cool for a long time. So that is what decides the quality of jade. And the deeper it is, the more density you can feel in the stone. That gives greater value to it.
ओके.
Yes.
इथे तुम्हाला हस्तिदंतामधले लाकडामध्ये प्रेशियस आणि सेमी प्रेशियस स्टोनमध्ये बऱ्याच बापाच्या मूर्त्या दिसतील. प्रत्येकाचं काही ना काही महत्त्व आहे.
Light green in color. And this is deep green.
राईट.
Now coming to tiger eye. We have seen tiger eye being used in beads for women wearing them. So that's because it gives the coloration of yellow and brown, which is the changing color of the eye of the tiger. So the stone is called tiger eye. Now emerald, of course, is a very precious stone, and there is and it is supposed to be one of the purest form in stone. Beyond that, you have what is called a star stone, and you have here what is called the Rajvarki. Now this is very found more in Jammu Kashmir, and this we purchased in Jaisalmer. The speciality of both these stones is that if you take it up in your hand and if you move it in light, you will see spotted lights in it, as if there are stars shining. See this. This is very commonly used for jewelry, both of these stones, and they have that lapis. Yes. Now look at this one. This is called serpentine. Now serpentine is a word which is used for snake. Right. Yeah, serpentine. Serpent. So if you look at the design of the stone, it's a natural formation, as if
It looks like.
yes, like the snake is moving. So serpentine. Yes. And then we have agate yellow. Now note this agate. This agate is there. Then we have this agate too. We have another agate here, and we have another agate here. So there are 4 agates.
Colors are different.
And this that is because the soil from which it has been removed, mined, you see, makes. Now this is from Jaisalmer. If you look at it, the coloration is more like that of sand. This is much deeper. That is, and this one is pure white. So it all depends on where it is mined also. This is from Pushkar. So it has an effect on the stone, when the mining from where it is done. Just as you see, when you do mining, the gold that is removed maybe from African mines and that which is removed from Indian mines, there's a difference to it.
Yes.
Yes, which we don't.
Because of that, the colors are different.
Colors also. It depends on the soil also. It depends on how long it has been, and it also has a different shine if you look at it. You see, if you turn it,
Bluish,
yes,
greenish.
yes, laporite. And there is a difference in the formation of the trunk, in the formation of the shape of the face and of the crown. See, that one, the one below is from lay. Look at the crown. Our Ganapatis will not have that sort of a crown. And this is also not from here. It is more of the Indonesian type, you see.
Indonesia
Yeah, so they have the standing forehead and the standing crowns. So there's a difference to it. The mark on the forehead, that is typical of Kerala. Old Ganapatis did not have the artistic finish that was there, that has been developed over a period of time. Work in coral, even the front one. Both these are also coral, but you will not find such fine work done in coral, which is a very rare species and such a big piece. Now if you look at this, what you call the the Shenga of Gulmore. And my son's art teacher removed the seeds and he has painted all those Ashtavinayak in that. It's just the trunk, and but it's a better version of this one, if you see. So over a period of time, they developed the art of giving it better shape or decorating it with a more embellishment than they did it previously. This was given by Nyayamurthy Dharmadhikari. These are typical South Indian Ganpatis. Yes, Yuta? Yes, Bala? Good girl. This section is all reclining Ganpatis, and reclining is also different. And the expression, if you see, different. This reclining is different with one foot up. That reclining is different sideways. This is sitting. There is a young Ganpati with a satisfied stomach. So it all depends on the art creator, you see.
तुम्हाला काय वाटतं किती गणपती असतील हो हे? हजारो असतील नाही का? आणि किती सुंदर आहे बघा.
ज्याला आपण जाळी वर्क म्हणतो. So it is a typical of that place. So this is called filigree work, or what we call as jali work. 10 भुजाचं तिथे बघितलं मोठा. एवढं लहान असून सुद्धा
ती बारीक काम
करतो.
या गणपतीला मागे आणि पुढे असे 2 चेहरे आहेत. या गणपतीला सुद्धा. हा माझा आवडता बाप्पा. किती क्यूट आहे बघा. म्युझियममध्ये एंटर केल्या ही मूर्ती आधी आपल्याला दिसते.
त्या किल्ल्याच्या प्रवेशद्वारावरचा हा गणपती आहे. त्याची रिप्लिका आहे इथं आपल्याकडे आलेली. पुढचाही जो गणपती आहे छोटा तोही ओरछाचाच आहे. तिथल्या त्या राजवाड्यावरच्या त्या किल्ल्यावरचाच आहे.
याशिवायही बऱ्याच वस्तू या म्युझियममध्ये आहेत. कसले
स्पूल, या स्पूल म्हटले जायचे ना.
आणि हे हा कधीचा आहे?
1947. 5 वर्षाचा होतं त्यावेळी. लावून दाखवतो.
वर्क करतो तुमचं ते
सगळं वर्किंग आहे. भंगार काय सांभाळलेलं नाही. जे काय ते सगळं चांगलं सांभाळलेलं आणि तसंच ठेवलेलं आहे त्याला. हा सगळा मेकॅनिकल होते त्यावेळी.
कसलं भारी ना. मला तर हे म्युझियम जाम आवडलं. तुम्हाला आवडलं का? कमेंट बॉक्समध्ये सांगा.